In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on System and Update. Then select Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Finally, click on Corrections and Suggestions to manage all of those options however you want to. Quick tip: to access those settings much faster in the future, enable Suggestion Strip. Then you can launch your keyboard and tap on this gear icon at the top of it to enter keyboard settings right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!